Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Lara Tips. In our previous video, we showed the listing of all the articles, but also we saw that when there were no articles, we were seeing this previous and next, and also the message was not showing that there were no any categories or no any data, but we fixed that. But we haven't done that in our this categories table. So let me show you that. Let me go to categories controller. And here in the index, okay, let's say here where name is, let's say random value over here. Now if I go here and refresh, so you can see here we are seeing the same kind of bug over here. So now let's say we want to create cross section for any other module, then we don't want to do this. If I show you here in this articles index here, so we have done a fix over here. We don't want to do this in every index page. Okay, so we want this to be handled by this app table. And also if you see here, we are passing the same kind of thing this here, articles.link.prep and articles.links.next, and in the categories as well we are doing the same kind of thing. So we want the pagination to be handled by this app table as well. So let's do that in this video. Now let's go to this articles index page here. Yeah, we have done this thing. Now let us go to the table component over here, and here we want to do that. So here let me copy this, and so we have added a slot over here. Just below that slot we want to add this. So if you see here, this one was the slot. Yeah, we have added this thing in the slot, and just below it was this data, so we are adding this over here. Now we don't want this articles.data over here because it is going to be a general table component. So let's say here items, and let us accept this as a prop. So let's say here items, and it will be type will be object, required would be true. So now let us pass this items to this table component in this articles index page. So here we will pass here items is equal to articles like this. So we are seeing the same results in this articles. Also there is one another thing that we need to fix. It is showing categories. Let us fix that as well. So here in the articles index at the bottom there is a breadcrumbs. Let's say here articles. So everything is same, so there is no any error. So let me also open the console. So there is no any error as well. So let us also return an empty articles over here, and let's see what is happening over here. Okay, so let us go to this articles controller, and let's say here where title, let us give the random string, and you can see here it is showing us that no data available, and which is coming from this table component. Yeah, it is not coming from this index component. Okay, because we have already removed that part from here. And if I inspect this, if you see here, it is only taking the space of this first column. Yeah, so let us fix that as well. So here in the table, instead of div, we want to pass it as a td, and we have to pass the col span over here, not in this tr. Okay, so we'll say here like this, and not aria col span, we only want col span over here. Now if I inspect this, no data available, so it is taking the full width now. So we have fixed that as well. Now let us implement that in the categories as well. So if I go here in the categories, it is completely broken. So let me fix that. So let us go to the categories index view here, and in the app table let us pass the items over here, and here it will be categories. Now you can see here it is showing this no data available, but this is not fixed. This pagination part is not fixed, so let us fix that as well. So if we go ahead and look in this articles page, so here we are showing the pagination only if there are articles. So let's do the same thing for the categories, and we will add it inside the app table. So let's copy this, and let us go here and let us just add it for now, and instead of articles, let's say categories. Now the pagination is hidden because there is no data. Okay, now let us add that inside the table because we don't want to repeat this code in every of our index pages or listing pages. So let me copy this. So if you saw before that this no data available was inside this app table, yeah, so we added it here inside the slots, but this is outside of that app table. So let's see how to do that. So for that we have to create a wrapper over here like this, and let us move this up like this, and now here we need to add this part. So let me remove it from here and let me add it over here like this, and instead of categories we will say here items. We have already passed these items as a props from here, so we can use that. Now we are here in this category index, so let's see that if it is working or not. So it's working if there is no any data. So let's pass some data and check. So here if we go here in the categories controller, and let me remove this where condition, and here we can see everything but there is no pagination. So let's see the console over here, and it is saying that unknown custom element this simple pagination. So we forgot to import this simple pagination here in our table component. So let's do that. So let us take that from here and add it over here like this, and here let's say components and simple pagination like this, and we don't want this over here. Now you can see here we are getting this next and previous over here. Now we can go ahead and remove that part from this article index page as well. So now if I go to this articles page, then you can see here there is no data, so it is showing this no data. So let us remove that where clause from this articles controller as well. So here let us remove this, and let's see if the previous and next button will show up or not. So yes, they are showing up over here. So now if I click on the next, so it is also working. So it is taking us to the next page. If you see here, it is taking us to the next page, and if I click on next again, it is taking me to the page 3. Similarly, if I click on the previous, it is taking me to the previous pages. So they are working perfectly fine. So now if we want to create a listing for any other CRUD module, then we simply need to just add this app table and this no data available, and the pagination will automatically be handled by this app table component. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.